today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own TradingView indicator using the Pine editor. Custom indicators help you refine your strategy and get insights that default tools might not provide. Start by opening TradingView and loading any chart you want to work on. At the bottom of the screen, select the Pine Editor tab to open the scripting workspace. This is where you'll write and edit the code for your indicator. Inside the editor, open the new script menu and choose the option to create a new indicator. This gives you a fresh script. You'll see sample code, but feel free to clear it if you want to start from scratch. Every Pine script begins by defining the script version and the indicator's name. After that, you can write the formula or calculation you want your indicator to display. To make it visible on your chart, use a plot command followed by your calculation along with the title. You can also add user control inputs such as choosing a length for calculations, which makes your indicator customizable. If your indicator needs logic that reacts to market conditions, you can use conditional statements to change how it behaves. You can also set up alerts, so TradingView notifies you when certain conditions are met. Once your code looks good, save your script and give it a name you'll remember. After saving, click the option to add it to your chart. Your indicator will appear below the main chart and you can double select its name to adjust settings, change inputs, add alerts, or make visual tweaks. And that's it, you've just created your own TradingView indicator. Enjoy experimenting with PineScript and building tools that fit your trading style.